Collective research. Active fundamental research in global capital markets. Make informed decisions.
Lucid produced 1,550 vehicles during Q3, plus over 700 additional vehicles in transit to Saudi Arabia for final assembly. The company delivered 1,457 vehicles during the same period.
Lucid Q3 2023 results. Year-over-year change. Total production, 1,550, down 32%. Plus over 700 additional vehicles in transit to Saudi Arabia for final assembly. Total deliveries, 1,457, up 4%. Lucid monthly sales. After launching its beautiful Air sedan for the 2021 model year, electric vehicle upstart Lucid Motors is developing an all-electric SUV they're calling the Gravity. Slated to go on sale in late 2024, the 7-passenger Gravity is expected to share most of its mechanical bits and interior design with the Air, so we're looking at big horsepower, over 1,000 horsepower, a large battery pack, up to 112 kilowatt-hour, and a posh cabin loaded with modern amenities.
Lucid revenue growth history. Lucid revenue for the quarter ending June 30, 2023 was $0.151 billion, a 55% increase year-over-year. Lucid revenue for the 12 months ending June 30, 2023 was $0.753 billion, a 314.83% increase year-over-year. Lucid annual revenue for 2022 was $0.608 billion, a 2,143.3% increase from 2021. Lucid annual revenue for 2021 was $0.027 billion, a 581.87% increase from 2020. Lucid annual revenue for 2020 was $0.004 billion, a 13.38% decline from 2019.
If you would like us to research a stock, please tweet at Collective REC or leave a comment here.
Like and subscribe for potential investment ideas. Become a member at www.collective-research.com.
Receive investment ideas before they are published.
Collective research. Active fundamental research in global capital markets. Make informed decisions.